In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pop-ups with Visme. This is a fantastic way to enhance interactivity on your project, captivating your audience as you lead them through your content. Let's break down the process step by step to ensure that you can easily follow along and implement these features on your own Visme projects. First, you need to start by selecting the object that will trigger the pop-up. This could be an icon, an image, a text box, or even a shape. Essentially, anything that you want your audience to interact with can work as your trigger. Choosing the right object depends on your content and how you wish to engage your viewers. A well-chosen trigger can elevate the user experience, making your presentation dynamic and lively. Next, you'll want to open the Hotspots tool. To do this, navigate to the Actions tab or menu, which you'll usually find at the top of your screen. It's where all the interactive magic starts. Once you're in the Actions tab, go to Hotspots and then select Object. This is the setup location for your pop-ups, where you can designate different interactive behaviors. Now, it's time to configure the pop-up content. Within the hotspot settings, you need to determine what exactly will pop up when your audience interacts with the chosen object. This pop-up content could be another object, an element, or perhaps additional information you want to reveal. This is your opportunity to provide extra value without cluttering your main design. As you configure this, decide how you want your pop-up to be triggered. Visme offers two primary options here. The pop-up can be set to appear on click or on hover. On-click pop-ups require the user to actively click an object, while on-hover pop-ups reveal themselves when a user simply moves their cursor over the object. Each choice has its own merits, so think about how you want your audience to interact with your content. Customizing the behavior of your pop-up is the next step. You have several options at your disposal. Collapse after next interaction, which makes the pop-up close after the next action the viewer takes, or adding a close button so viewers can manually dismiss it. There's also the Always on Top option to make sure the pop-up remains visible above other elements in your design. Tweak these features to best suit your needs, and once you're happy with your settings, don't forget to click Apply. Finally, let's preview and test. This is a crucial step to ensure the pop-up behaves exactly as intended. Use preview mode, or if you're ready, present or publish your project. While testing, check that the pop-up triggers correctly either on click or on hover, whichever you have chosen, and see that the closure mechanism, whether it be a button or a natural collapse, functions properly too. A few test runs can help ensure a smooth and engaging experience for your audience when they interact with your project. That wraps up our tutorial for today.